Hello guys, another day, another vlog. Karon mo to may karon sa Hingoog City. Wala ra sa Hingoog City pero boundary siya sa Claveria o Hingoog. At to may dito sa katong bagong open nga moro siya og park. Basta ang pangalan kay Illuminada Garden Resort. Dito may padulong karon. Kita-kita taon niya dito. Atong itor, atong isuroy ang area. Check na to kung sada bagid. Kita-kits dito.
My head in my hands, listen up, says my teacher. In front of the class, he says if you're not a believer, you always dance on you, better shape up.
Alright guys, abot na sa Illuminada Garden Resort. Nadali yun. Nadali yung guys, ma'am.
$100 ang adult, ang bata 50.
Your smile keeps playing, you're miles away, yeah. I would go overseas just like that. Don't overthink it, why can't you stay? Give me the call and I'll just be there like that.
Hello guys, mo din ang Illuminada Garden Resort. Sa karon kamuro pa sila og construct no kay soft opening pa man ni. Nag soft opening sila tong March 28 ba to?
Wala pa naman ang swimming pool.
Oh. Pool na. Ay dili oy, kuan ki. Fire pit.
Tama tagi. Direct.
Dapat dia aja. She's scared then.
I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure, yeah. It's so overwhelming, but I don't wait forever, so you can come and get it. I don't understand it, I don't understand. Try so much to get back. Not something you thought I had. You drive me crazy, but I still want you here. So just give me the call and I'll just be there like that. I don't understand. Understand.